that, bro. Get him, bro. He camping, bro. Dang, bro, you suck, bro. Bro, he was camping in the freaking bush, bro. How you gonna get killed by him in the bush? That's why nobody play Fortnite with you. You scrub or you trash, bro. Hey, man, I'm gonna go get me something to eat, bro. I'm gonna get me something to eat right quick. I'll be right back, all right? Dang, you suck, bro. Ooh, okay. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Ooh, okay. We got the Fruity Lucky Charms. We got the Sour Patch Kids. Fruity Lucky Charms. Yeah. Whoa. Everybody get that grub on. Everybody here. Bro, hey, where the milk at, bro? Jalen, you got the milk, bro? Pickle juice. It's the only liquor we got in the fridge, but no milk. Alright, bro. Man, say, bro, ain't no milk, bro. Oh, so now I'm done. Man, just invite me, bro. Dang. Who we running with? We running with Chris? All right, that's a bet, but that's a dub, man. Come on. Oh. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed the skit. Many more to come in pranks. Let's try to get about 30 likes. Let's raise our subscribers. I love y'all, bro, for real. Y'all the best I've ever had in my life. Don't forget to share and comment on this video too. And just keep showing love. And I got y'all, bro. But it's my first skit, by the way. But yeah, we got much more to come. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.